Trina. Trina. Godfrey and Trina. Who's going to win the toy? How long can you do this for? Oh, I think Trina's piece is going to snap. Ah, there we go.
I was like, well, I can get a better one.
Yes, he said, I don't really want it, I just didn't want you to have it. Oh, they're so great together. Oh!
What would you, if someone wanted like a dog to run with?
Oh, Godfrey, you're so patient. Oh, cheeky little Trina. Oh, Godfrey just loves to flip himself on his back.
He does. Do any of the dogs like their bellies rubbed?
Yeah, I think Godfrey would come in that category.
My Golden Retriever, she'll like flop on the floor and roll over, and she'll just stay like that for 5 to 10 minutes until someone comes and rubs her belly.
Oh, that's so cute. Well, I think these guys are... Oh, now Trina's down. That's good. Yeah, you take a turn on the bottom, Trina. Oh, good. Oh, we've got roly-polies now. That's cute.
They're doing really well.
They're doing very well.